Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, today I will explain network topology using basic CCNA concept. This topology includes router, switch, PC, and server. We will talk about routing, NAT, IP addressing, and some network protocol. Let's begin. Overview of the technology. This is a complete network with 6 routers, several VC grouped by colors, and switches. Each VC group is a different network. This router uses a routing protocol to communicate, and each router connects the different network areas and OSPF routing area. In this topology, we use OSPF or Open Source Path Works. It is a dynamic routing protocol that helps routers automatically share and learn network routes. We have 3 OSPF areas, and the first is area 0 or area backbone, includes router 0, router 1, and router 2. And area 1 includes router 2, router 3, and router 4. And area 2 includes router 1 and router 5. Using OSPF is allow router to find the best path without manual settings. And the next is NAT dynamic configuration. NAT stands for network address translation. It's allow private IP address like IP addressing IP addressing the VC, like this one 20 to access external networks such as the internet. Is this case we use dynamic NAT, which means the router translates IP automatically without needing state routes. Each router near the VC group is set up with NAT so that VC can go outside the local network. Like this VC can ping to the server. Okay, IP addressing and VC groups. The VC are divided into color zones based on their network. And the red zone, yellow zone, green zone, pink zone, and the blue zone. The blue zone is PC Yungkais, and the pink zone is PC Pentol, and the green is PC to connect the to router this one to router this and other. Each PC is connected to a switch, and then the switch connects to a router. Every group has a different subnets which help organize traffic and control broadcast domains. Router links. Routers are connected using point-to-point connection. Some example of IP between routers is 11.11.11.0, the 13.13.13.0 for area backbone or area 0, and 21.21.21.0 or 23.23.23.0 for area 2, and 31.31.31.0 and 33.33.33 for area 1. These links let routers communicate between areas and forward data across the network. List of protocol used. The task say we need to use at least 5 protocol. Here are we common ones in this topology. Is the first is OSPF for routing and not dynamic port address translation, and DHCP can be used to give IP addressing to VC automatically. And DNS is optional for name resolution, and ECMP is used when we ping device to test connectivity. These protocols are essential in real-world networking. And the task checklist from the diagram is configured USB routing in each router and assign them to the right area, and apply dynamic NAT on router close to clients. Use at least 5 network protocol in this design. This step help us simulate a real working network. Okay. Uh, uh, and the and the conclusion is to summarize, this TOEFL gives us hands-on experience, which is an basic. We learn about routing with OSPF, net configuration, IP addressing, and network communication with protocols. It's look complex, but each part is simple when broken down. Thank you for listening. And we can see the how I okay, sorry. Okay, you can see you can look my configuration in this router, and just do show run. Okay, and you can see I make IP DHCP port VLAN 10, VLAN 20. The network is 100 and 200, and we must give the IP address to the interface, and we must make the encapsulation.1q and add IP address, and don't forget you must make the router OSPF and the area and give the area, and you can see in how to configuration in router area backbone. Yeah, I already say before, router OSPF area backbone is area 0, and the area 0 is server, router 0, router 1, and router 2, and the area 2 is router 1, router 3, and router 5. Okay, and we look the configuration in switch. Okay, this the configuration is we must make the interface to switch mode terang and make the channel group mode fast, and we must make the interface for channel, and you must add or how to say memasukkan VLAN to the interface like switch port, and to give the access to the VLAN, and we can see again in this switch. in this but in this switch we not use the sorry I forget, we not use the channel group because this just one cable, but in this switch connect four cable. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.